and delicious. Look at that. So for our container, you can use a smaller container like this one, or this size, or you can use like 8x8 or rectangular, but make sure it will fit in your freezer because we will freeze our mango float. But usually if you serve it with guests or during party, usually we put our mango float in a larger container like a rectangular or 8x8. Not this one, but I decided to use a smaller one because I'll just put it in the freezer, and anyone who likes to eat it, just grab a small container and eat it from here or have a small size. So I'm using a graham cracker. If you find a different brand, it would be fine. And for this pack, we have inside, there are 3 pieces. But this is most common in the Philippines, the graham cracker. So the first layer will be the graham crackers. Just put it like that. Spread the cream. If you like a small cut or a big cut. Scatter. It's so delicious. This is my son's favorite. Actually, he requested this one. My son Patrick requested this. There, that's enough. And then another layer of graham. So in this container, only 2 layers. this for party or for a family, you can use a bigger pan like rectangular or the 8x8. Just make sure it will fit in the freezer. But I like the smaller one, guys, if there's no party, so that anyone in my household who wants to eat this, they can just grab it anytime in the freezer and eat directly from this container, or maybe cut a few slices, 4 parts, and that's it. So look at that. So this is our first container. Look how lovely is that. And then this one should go to the freezer for at least 4 hours. It should be eaten frozen or slightly frozen. And then make sure you have a cover. You need to cover it if you put it in the freezer, okay? Don't forget. So cover this like that. So we will cover this like that. So there you go. So this one, guys, this container doesn't come with a cover. I did not notice it, so let's just cover this with aluminum foil like that. There you go, guys. So let's freeze this for about 4 hours. So beautiful and delicious. Look at that. So guys, I won't be cutting this one yet because I'm waiting for my children, my sons, to come and eat with me. So all you have to do is just cut this one, slice like cake, and eat it. So please make this very delicious mango float. Until next time, guys, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.